my gosh. Oh, there it is. It's raining really a lot, and there's a lot of lightning, and it's right above us. Wow, you can hear the thunder. Awesome. I love storms, but they're also really scary sometimes. Ooh. Oh, that one was cool. I can see outside, but it's really dark, so there's not really much on camera besides the lightning. You know, the flashes of light you can see on the screen. Anyway. Awesome! Whoa. Whoa. Creepy, but also really cool. Also, it's like, I don't know, like 1 in the morning. Yeah, 1:16 a.m. Hooray! I'm a night owl. Whoa. It also lights up the room, so when I'm like playing the games and stuff. Whoa. It lights up the room, and it's really weird. Whoa. I mean, but whoa. It's so cool. Oh, look at that one. But anyway, that's the whoa. Scary, but cool. I already said that. Whoa. I'm tired. No, I'm not. Sleep is for the weak.